microphone test here. This is my trusty old Sky Thumper ST65DX. Talking on the Cobra 29 GTL, Snake Radio Customs Cobra 29 GTL. Sky Thumper ST65DX. I use this mic a lot. It's a really good mic, and we're doing a little test, a comparison test. We're going to try out the Wilson Trucker power mic and see how it sounds. I expect it to be louder, and I expect it to sound good, but I just want to figure out where to have my settings. With the Sky Thumper, I run the Dynamic wide open. Again, this is the Sky Thumper ST65DX, and we're going to switch on over to the Wilson. This is the Wilson Trucker power mic. I got the volume on the microphone at 7 and the Dynamic on the radio at 12 o'clock, and it probably sounds pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and turn the Dynamic up. The Dynamic is at 1 o'clock, then the microphone volume is at 7, and that's probably pretty blasting audio, but we're going to go ahead and turn it up to 3 o'clock on the Dynamic, and then that's the Dynamic right there is wide open. Audio, Wilson Trucker power mic, the Dynamic open. Now I'll put it back at 3 o'clock. That probably sounds okay, and then this is back at 1 o'clock. I'm guessing this probably sounds about the best right here, but we're going to find out, and if it's way too loud, maybe I turn the microphone volume down too, but again, this is back at 12 o'clock. It's probably a little bit quiet right there. Wilson Trucker power mic, Dynamic at 12 o'clock. Wilson Trucker power mic, Dynamic at 1 o'clock. And I'm thinking that's probably where it's going to sound best, but maybe even we'll be able to run it here at 3 o'clock. Wilson Trucker power mic, microphone test. This is a discontinued microphone. They do not make them anymore. Radio, Dynamic at 3 o'clock. Gonna put that back at 1 o'clock, and that concludes the test. Alright, catch you guys later.